Well, hey there, this is Chase, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get out of four-wheel drive on a Ford, let's say a 150 or a 250. So I got the truck running, it's in park, and sometimes when you switch from, let's say four-wheel drive low or high, it doesn't always switch and go out of it. So the solution, if you want to go out of four-wheel drive into two-wheel drive, sometimes this doesn't work. Now it did on mine, but last winter it did not, and so I had to do this trick. If it doesn't switch out and you don't see the indicator go off like it did, and there's the four-wheel drive, okay, what you need to do is simply put it into neutral, okay? That'll reset some things, it makes it easy, and then you can switch from four-wheel drive low or four-wheel drive high into two-wheel drive. It'll work. And see, the indicator is now gone. Now it's on. Now it's off. But I'm in park. This is, I couldn't figure this out. It didn't work when I was in park, but it worked perfectly when I was in neutral. That's the key. So I'm going to put it in neutral. I'll shut the engine off. That is how to get yourself out of four-wheel drive. This works on a Ford, and I have a 250 diesel truck. Should work on any Ford, any pickup truck, things like that. So hope this video helped. By the way, as an extra bonus, I make a pretty good living online, doing some business online. If you've ever wondered how to make money from home, I have some free information. You may want to check it out. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe for more if you'd like. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.